What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I make up to $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing. Now, maybe in the past you thought making money online was complicated or you needed a big following. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can use affiliate marketing, which is just recommending people products online, to start to make some serious income from home. First off, in this video, I'm going to share with you why it's important to choose a niche and how to actually choose the right niche that's going to be profitable long term. I'm going to share with you exactly how to find a high-paying product to promote so you guarantee you can make the most money per referral. And I'm also going to share with you how to properly create a new social media profile so you can start to promote and earn money as soon as possible. And if you stick with me to the very end of the video, I'm going to reveal an exact formula you can use on that social media profile to start to get people buying through your links, even if you're completely brand new. Imagine making $1,000 a day. How amazing would that feel? But before that, if you like videos on affiliate marketing, be sure to click the subscribe button and that bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. Also, I have a free cheat sheet revealing my top 7 posts to copy and paste on social media to get floods of free traffic. If you want access, all you have to do is click that first link below and get access now. Okay, so the very first step is you want to choose a niche. You don't want to go very broad and try to promote to everyone. Instead, you want to pick a very specific category of people with a specific problem and then find products to solve that problem. Now, I highly recommend when you're just starting, you choose a niche in one of these 3 categories: health, wealth, and relationships. These are evergreen categories, meaning if you choose a niche in one of these 3 categories, you're always going to be able to make money for a very long period of time. Now, I highly recommend you choose a specific niche inside of those categories. So for example, if you choose health, you can choose keto diet as one of your niches inside of that category. Now, the next step is you want to find a high-ticket affiliate product to promote that's already selling well. The easiest way to make $1,000 a day is to just promote a product that pays you a good amount per referral. Now, you want to find a product that's already selling well because you know if you promote that product too and it's selling well, you will probably make sales also. Now, one place you can go to find these type of products is clickbank.com. All you have to do is go to that website, create a free account, and then go to the marketplace. Choose on the left the category that you've chosen in the previous step, and then filter results by gravity. You want to choose one of the products at the top with a good gravity score and a product that pays you a good amount per sale. Once you do that, you just want to grab your affiliate link. Next, in this video, we're going to be using Instagram to promote and make sales, but you can really apply this method to any social media platform out there. Now, the first step is we want to properly set up our account. So you want to add a good profile picture. If you don't want to put your face out there, you can actually create an Instagram profile around the niche, create more of a niche type profile. So first off, name your profile something around the niche. And then next, you want to actually find a profile picture. Now to do that, you can simply go to Google and then search for images that have to do with your niche. You can take one of the good photos and put that as your profile photo. The next step is we want to create a good bio. You want to add a few words or sentences that have to do with the niche, so when people land on your profile and they're interested, they're going to have a good chance of following back. Now, you can write a few words that just describe what you're going to be posting, such as inspiration or quotes. The next step is we want to go to a site called tinyurl.com. You want to take the affiliate link that you got in the previous step and you want to paste it in that site. This is going to shorten your affiliate link to make it look more attractive. Then you just want to take that affiliate link that's shortened and you want to go back to your Instagram profile and put that link in your bio. Now, after you've set up your Instagram profile, the next step is to use this exact formula to start to get engagement and people going to your affiliate link so you can start to make up to $1,000 a day. Now, the first type of post is the value post. This is things like quotes, memes, inspiration, anything that's adding value that has to do with the niche you chose earlier. So to find these pictures and posts very easily, you can go back to Google Images, search for the niche name, followed by quotes. So for example, if you're in the health and fitness niche, you could type health and fitness quotes. Then you could just take one of these quotes and you can post it on your profile. These posts are designed to get engagement, people liking, commenting. So then when we do the second type of post, we can start to make money. Now, the second type of post is something called a results post. what you want to do is you want to share a photo or video sharing results that the product you're promoting is creating for people. So the way you can do this very easily is go back to Google Images, type the niche name followed by proof or followed by the word results. This is going to share with you different photos and results people have had in that specific niche. Now you can just take one of those that are eye-catching or very good, and you can post that on your Instagram profile as well. Now when you do the results post, in the caption, you want to give a call to action. You want to tell people, hey, if you want to discover more information on how to easily achieve this result, click the link in my bio. Now you don't want to just do result posts on your Instagram profile because people are going to get turned off if you're constantly pitching. You want to have a ratio of about, for every 3 value posts, you do 1 result post, okay? So do value, 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 result, and that should be a good ratio. As you follow this process and you start to build your engagement and your followers, you're going to start to get more clicks to the link in your bio, and because it's a good selling product and it pays you well, you can very easily and quickly begin to make sales and even as much as $1,000 a day. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, one of the biggest things is really just getting consistent visitors or traffic to click your affiliate link. Now, if you're struggling to really get a lot of traffic, you probably want this solved as fast as possible, right? That's why I've put together a free cheat sheet revealing my top posts you can literally swipe and deploy on any social media account to start to get floods of free traffic so you can solve this problem as soon as possible. So if you want access to that while it's still available, click that first link below and check out that free cheat sheet right now. Also, if you want more videos like this, be sure to click the subscribe button and that bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. Until next time, my friend, I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make up to $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing, and I will see you on my next video.